there! On this episode of Learning Explorer, we're going to learn how to write a letter. I use animal letters to help me write my letters correctly. If you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out the Learn to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to practice your letters with me, download our free letter writing template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. That's right, where you should not start writing your letters. A letter can start almost anywhere, except for one place. When I write letters, if I want to write them really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to write the letter A. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase a is? That's right, it's a chicken letter. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write the lowercase letters because it's what we use most when we write. Are you ready? Let's start. Do you have your pen or pencil? Okay, let's get started. Did you download your template off of Linktree? If you didn't, pause the video and go download it so you can have your writing paper. Okay, let's get started. Okay, when I start the letter A, the uppercase A, I'm going to put my pen right up here. You put your pencil right there. Is your pencil right there? Okay, then I'm going to go down diagonally. All the way to the bottom, and then I'm going to stop. Not going to go below that line. Then I'm going to pick up my pen. I'm going to come back up here, so put your pencil there. And then I go down again, diagonally. Now, if I make a mistake, it's okay. That's why we practice writing our letters. We can do it over and over again. When I get to the bottom, what do? That's right, I stop. Okay, now I have to go and do my middle line. There we go. Okay, now let's do lowercase a. Because it's a chicken letter, I have to make sure I start at the middle. Are you ready? Do you have your pencil there? Okay, let's go all the way around. Now I stop right there. And then I come back up here and I go straight down. And that's the lowercase a. Now let's try it without the lines. Remember, I'm going to start at the top and I go down diagonally all the way to the bottom. Then go back to the top and then go down diagonally again. And then I come in the middle and I go across. There's my uppercase A. Now let's do the lowercase a. I start in the middle. Do I start at the bottom? No, not if I want it to make it look nice. I start at the middle and I go around. It's almost like the letter C. And then I come back up to the top and I go straight down. And there's the lowercase a. Uppercase A, lowercase a. Were you able to write the letter A? Great job! Now remember, you can download our letter writing template from our link tree where you can practice the letter A some more. I hope you had a good time writing the letter A with me, and I hope you come back when we write another letter. Bye!